Once there was an old town. Wide were the old houses, roads, and shops. The windows were open, the steps were broken, making it one extremely fine spot for mice to go around. As a matter of fact, the mice had been cheerfully residing around here for many years. This present time was the best opportunity for the mice. People made burrows generally through those fine old homes and structures. At some points, a crowd of elephants in the large numbers stepped through the town en route to a major lake in the west. Of the elephants were contemplating as they walked was the manner by which great it is hoped in that lake for a school swim. They didn't have a clue about that as they walked through the town of mice. Those enormous elephant feet were stepping down on the trap of labyrinths and passages the mice had made. What a wreck the elephants abandoned! The mice immediately held a gathering. In the event the group returns this way once more, our local area is ill-fated, cried one mouse. We won't have a potential for success, cried another. There was just something single to do. A gathering of bold mice followed those elephant impressions the whole way to the lake. There they tracked down the king of the elephants. One mouse represented the others and said, "O king, not a long way from here is our mice local. You might recall it?" "Obviously, I recall it," said the elephant. "We are elephants. Be that as it may, we didn't have a clue about a mice local area was there." "How might you?" said this mouse. "We should ask you, please, would you track down one more approach home? Who knows, perhaps sometime or someday we mice can help you as well." The elephant king grinned. How should a small mice at any point help an elephant? "Be that as it may, there is no requirement for you to stress on. I will let the crowd home in another manner." Realizing that elephants originated from all over to hop in the large lake to swim, the ruler's tracker made a water trap there. When the elephant king and his group hopped into the lake, they were trapped in the snare. After 2 days, the tracker hauled the elephant king and his group and attached the elephants to large trees in the backwoods. At the point when the trackers had gone, the elephant king attempted to think, what else was there to do? They were all attached to the trees except one elephant. That elephant was free on the grounds that she didn't bounce in the lake. The elephant king called to her. He told her that she should return to the old abandoned town and bring back the mice who lived there. At the point when the mice figured out the difficulty that the elephant king and his group were in, they dashed over to the lake. Seeing the king and his group restricted, they immediately went to the ropes and started biting. They endlessly bit as fast as possible. Before long, the ropes were beaten the whole way through and the mice set their huge companions free. The elephant's group found another way home and the mice local area resided on for a long time.